Scientists have finally discovered the secrets of Easter Island. Where is Easter Island? Why were people so curious about the mysteries of the island? How did scientists uncover the secrets of the island? And more? Easter Island, a far-off spot in the Pacific Ocean, has been puzzling people for ages. Even though our planet has many islands, what makes this one special? The secret lies not just in the island itself, but in the huge stone statues scattered across it. These massive stone heads, known as moai, are the key to the mystery. Who made them? Why are they here? Where did the creators come from? And where did they go? The answers might be closer than we think. Join in and watch a video to uncover all the truths about Easter Island. Give it a thumbs up. We're here to make your life a bit brighter. And now, let's dive into what we know about this intriguing island. It's called Rapa Nui by the people who first lived there. Picture it as a part of Chile, sitting quietly in the southern Pacific Ocean. It's so far away that you can consider it one of the most remote places on our planet. It's 1,200 miles from its nearest neighbor, Pitcairn, and 2,300 miles west of Chile. You can't just take a car to get there. The only way is by plane. A 5-hour flight from Santiago, Chile, and you've reached Easter Island, a tiny spot on the map, just 63 square miles in size, but home to a whopping 887 huge stone statues. These statues, the moai, have a tale of their own. Carved between the 13th and 15th centuries, they have unique faces, long noses, wide chins, rectangular ears, and deep-set eyes. And guess what? People first thought they were only heads, but in 2012, during some digging, it turned out they have full bodies hidden underground. The biggest moai stands at 33 feet tall and weighs a whopping 90 tons. But wait, there's more. One statue, though incomplete, was estimated to be a giant 70 feet tall and around 297 tons. The moai are mostly made of a material called tuff, compressed volcanic ash. Oddly enough, almost all of them face inland, as if they're protecting the villagers. There's one group that breaks this pattern, found at Ahuakivi, a special place for the Rapa Nui people. One statue stands out from the rest. Tuctoria. It's the only one found in a kneeling position and is believed to depict an ancient singer. With a lifted head, noticeable beard, and made of red stone, it's quite different from the others. Now, here's the big question. How did they move these massive statues around the island? When Europeans arrived in 1722, they found a small local population, just between 1.5 and 3,000 people. How did they manage to carve and move these statues with so few people? There were wild theories about aliens, but sorry to burst the bubble, the stone is from the island itself. The Rapa Nui people moved them using ropes and a walking motion, as later experiments proved. And guess what? There's a legend that says the statues walked with the help of magic. So, that's the story of Easter Island, a tiny place with huge mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Stick around to learn more. Geographical details of Easter Island itself is interesting. Easter Island, also called Rapa Nui, is a special part of Chile located in the southern Pacific Ocean. Picture it as a tiny dot on the world map, about 1,200 miles away from its nearest neighbor, Pitcairn Island, and a whopping 2,300 miles west of Chile. To get there, you need to hop on a plane and enjoy a 5-hour flight from Santiago, Chile. Now, why is this place so unique? Well, imagine being on an island so far away that it feels like it's in the middle of nowhere. That's Easter Island for you, a little piece of land surrounded by a whole lot of ocean. And how do you even get there? Plane rides are your only ticket to this remote paradise. When you're up in the air, you're not just flying to any island. You're heading to a place where giant stone statues hold secrets from centuries past. It's like a journey back in time, and the adventure begins even before you set foot on the island. So, picture this, a distant island, a long plane ride, and the promise of uncovering ancient mysteries. That's the charm of Easter Island. drawing in curious minds from around the world to explore its unique and remote beauty. Uncovering the secrets of statues. Initially, there was a common belief that the statues on Easter Island consisted only of heads. Surprisingly, during excavation,